Pinky and Oren went into the woods together to play.
Hey, Pinky, don't run around. Watch out.
Oh, what did I just hit?
Oh no, it's a beehive.
Oh no!
Run fast, it's chasing you.
Save me, I'm so scared. So painful.
Oh my god!
My butt is on burn. I'm in so much pain, I want to go to the hospital now.
Don't worry, I have an ambulance nearby. Just wait for me.
Whatever you do, do it quickly. My butt is swelling up like a steamed bun.
Let's go. I'll take you to the forest hospital.
The road to the hospital was difficult. They had to overcome 6 challenges before reaching the hospital.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh no! Yay!
What a beautiful couple.
Handsome.
Which couple to choose?
Open red box. Yay!
Find the character. Match and match correctly to receive 2 times of matching 2 complete banknote images to pay the guard's toll.
Good job!
Hello.
Wow, her curves are so amazing. The picture has many different characters. Count how many times the characters appear in the picture. Find the money to pay and go through the station.
Two pink. 1, 2, 3.
Green.
3. One, two, three, four, 5.
We have completed the second challenge. Let's look back and see how many similar characters there are here.
Good job!
Perfect couple.
So beautiful. Wow! Wow!
Is a B. Open the box to find the bridge. Many boxes arranged like a honeycomb find in the boxes with a bridge attached to cross the river.
Yes! Nothing inside. Yay! Wow!
Oh no!
Is a B.
Yes!
Oh no!
Oh, wow!
Handsome.
Yay!
Monster Duel. Oren with the winning side monster will find a hidden secret item to defeat the other side. The side that runs out of health first wins.
Yay!
A brick.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Pun.
Spin wheel. Character with guard move spin wheel and step. Who step to the destination faster. Win get coin. Rescue Doctor. Doctor trapped in barricade. Find the right piece to save Doctor to go to hospital for treatment. Finally saved the Doctor.
Doctor, save my butt.
Please, Doctor, save my friend quickly.
Wait for me a moment. I will prepare the operating room right away. The patient came into my room for treatment. The victim's family was invited to wait outside.
Wow! Oh my god, my butt! It's back! Is the swelling gone? Let me check. No, I mean, it looks as good as before.
You're lucky. With a butt that big, you had to stop it in time, otherwise you'd really be crying with your butt.
Thank you, Doctor! My butt will always be grateful to you! If my butt is beautiful again because of the doctor, then my heart is pounding because you carried me all the way.
Congratulations to the young couple. Hope that after today, there will be a beautiful love story. Hi, hi.
Thanks, Doctor, for saving Pinky's butt. Goodbye.
Goodbye.